Hey everyone, welcome back to Valet, your premier access to luxury watch reviews, comparison videos, and sage advice so you can confidently navigate the world of luxury watches and accessories. At Valet, we're known for our refined leather watch rolls that are designed to store and protect your luxury watches. So head to our site to pick out the one that's right for you. Now let's get started on today's video.
Thanks for joining us today. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Tudor Black Bay GMT. This example here is the full stainless steel version on a bracelet. The watch does come in 6 variations, including a two-tone steel and gold option, as well as with a variety of bracelet and strap options. This reference was released back in March 2018 at Baselworld, following the announcement of the Rolex GMT Master 2, with the same Pepsi color dialed bezel. Over the years, the Black Bay GMT has established itself as a solid modern GMT option, with a touch of that vintage charm and a strong value proposition, supported by an appreciated design and a new movement. This reference carries a retail price tag of approximately $4,175 and is one of the most popular models within the Tudor lineup. The Black Bay GMT features a bidirectional rotatable bezel in steel with a 24-hour graduated disc in anodized aluminum. The matte burgundy and blue disc is comparatively different and lacks the brightness of the Rolex GMT Master 2 Pepsi it is often compared to. I find that the matte design really matches the personality and character of the watch, and overall I really appreciate the subtleness of the appearance. The 41mm case is made of stainless steel and features a mix of both polished and brushed finishing. Although a little big for my wrist, the approximate 50mm lug-to-lug size finds itself in the middle of what is considered to be big and small, so it fits most people with average-sized wrists exceptionally well. The case, including the crystal, which we'll get to in a little bit, is a touch tall for my liking. However, the shape and the finishing along the flanks and the lugs actually make it feel visually smaller. What's also great about this model is that it preserves the same water resistance rating as many of the dive watches offered by Tudor at 200 meters or 660 feet. Now the dial, like on all Black Bay GMT variations, is matte black, with large applied markers, heavy set snowflake hands, and the addition of the red GMT hand. It features a clean, simple, traditional date window with black text on a white date wheel. Compared to the GMT Master 2 from Rolex, one of the other main takeaways is the lack of a cyclops and the use of a domed, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, which again speaks to the old-school aesthetic of the watch. The bracelet on the Black Bay GMT is very similar to the one found on the ever-so-popular Black Bay 58. It's just a touch wider at the lugs and therefore has to taper off a little more. It's safe to say that the overall bracelet is made very well. In hand, it feels solid with little to no play in between the solid end links. Understanding we're speaking about a bracelet here, the most controversial design element of the watch as a whole might just be the riveted bracelet. It comes down to personal choice, but I find it fits the design language of the entire Black Bay line perfectly. The Black Bay GMT is equipped with an in-house Calibre MT5652 movement. It's a full-size, self-winding mechanical movement with a bidirectional rotor system. And because the GMT functionality is integrated and not modular, the Black Bay GMT is the same thickness as the standard Black Bay Diver. In terms of tech specs, the MT5652 offers a 70-hour power reserve, ticking at 4 Hz and features a silicone hairspring. At this price point, a legitimate in-house movement from a renowned watchmaking brand is extremely rare and rightfully getting the praise it deserves from the watch community.